Hi, welcome to Preheat. My name is Ronaldo Linares from Martino's Cuban Restaurant. Today I'm going to be making you oven-baked stuffed poblano peppers. We're going to be stuffing them with a chorizo, diced onion, red peppers, diced as well, mixture. Very, very nice, easy dish to make. And again, something that you could do ahead of time, prep them up, leave them in the fridge. And when it comes time for dinner time, pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, they don't overcook, but you want to make sure they get nice and tender, because that is the key. You want all that nice poblano pepper to kind of sweat inside into the chorizo mixture. So when you bite into it, you get the essence of every ingredient you have put in there. So let's walk through here. We have poblano peppers, and how are we gonna stuff them? We're gonna cut the end caps off, like so. We're gonna be running our knife right along. You don't want to cut all the way down because we don't want to mess up our stem. So we're gonna cut right down, making our caps. All right, now let's get stuffing. Super, super simple. We have our chorizo mixture done with onions and peppers and salt and pepper. And that is all you need for the seasoning, because the chorizo itself has a lot of flavor. And remember, before you cook it, you take off the casing. It's very simple. You run the tip of your knife, remove the casing, and make sure you kind of chop up the meat so when you cook it, it just cooks a little more evenly and you don't get big chunks. So let's stuff. All you need is a spoon and kind of just start building it right in there. Super, super simple, you see? Super simple. So we add in there, kind of stuff it. And to hold our cap in place, we're going to use some smaller skewers. We're not going to make the big skewers. We're using small ones in here. So we're going to be using 3 of them. We're going to insert and poke through the other side. We're going to insert and poke right to the other side. And then right at one on top. This keeps everything inside as you cook, and kind of just looks really nice. It looks pretty, adds something else, and also adds a little rack for it to cook, and it stays right up. So we're going to do that with the other poblano pepper. We're going to put it in the oven, again, 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and we're going to see what we got. So here we have it. 20 minutes later, our stuffed poblano peppers have been coming out of the oven. As you can see, you got a nice char around them, which means flavor. They're nice and tender. The inside's cooked perfectly and just look really, really beautiful. Very nice. And this is perfect for one person. So you could do this ahead of time, 10, 15, 20 of them. Pop them in the oven, 400 degrees, 20 minutes. And that's it. You got a nice snack or maybe a meal or whatever you want to call it. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.